On the 8th of February, Nana hima Ebony ujaye ho ekoye. Inti ene 7 years pepepe. 7 years pepepe. 8 February, Nana hima Ebony ujaye ho okoye.
One dance again.
And the mini.
Woman praise her title.
No.
Woman praise her title.
My dream company.
Okay.
I'm so concentrated on my. The thing is, that's what company free hand. You get it.
Okay.
And now we are queen, so you bet more to ideas so anytime.
Okay.
And I'm here to stay. You get it.
So you're not here for any queen.
No. And I'm from home. Remember, pray now you could too. No. I'm here to stay. Kingdoms a kingdom they bet more to anytime.
Okay.
You get it. But me, I'm here to stay. And come worries because I need discover me.
Okay. But talk of money, are you making any?
I am.
Okay.
I'm making a lot of money.
A lot of
money. And I don't.
So you're working towards an album.
Yeah.
And 7 years pepepa Ebony ejaye ho okoye. Sa bra me no kasa ne papa Mr. Opoku Kwaten ene abusuafo na kopie mu ne naso a wo kire se every Sunday be no wu ye no 1 year bia waye. This is the 7th anniversary. Oni abusua ni nyina akwa kopie mu kire se abusua no obi anka na de hia de hia no e wo nan so sanse Ebony ti ase ni mfa no ye nipa na wodo nipa enti papa ne so osusu se Oma baba begina ho asabusua no so omo ka omo asem a omo ba ne ebetie. Na I remember I had an encounter with Ebony wa bra no otiasie. That girl was full of life. Na da bia me kan asem we say Ghana fo yen yankasa na da bia ye de ya no efrefre bone twetwe bone ede ba fie. Ebony tiasie ede na oyeye ye de no onim se otonyom. Na afi ekowie se ye se ne ntare hyem ene mfan but ye wie eka Ebony ho asem ni akwa endorse na ya fre Cardi B so omra Ghana ne enchia no. Cardi B na oba Ghana no no ankasa ne dressing te sen. Ema yenya meet and greet nyina. Etitiru ani ntini ni atwotwo urofo ani epese yekochia Cardi B. Ba yenhwe Cardi B ankasa ne dressing mu te sen. Ba Ebony be pie mu Ghana ha no. Yese ne dressing ye ena wo sen nkofo ma yebusa se Ebony wuye no. Entade function etu atwa na. Enu nti adofo nwuma ye me de ya no se sen. Manu manu a wo ka me ho asem atwa so sanse wo se me yakromfo ebi wo fie mi ya hyawo ne ebi wo fie ene nipa ye jaide wo ye fie ni aka nkofo ma ho asem ye de anu si Ebony so emienya asofo kra ba bonten beka se o mato Ebony si didi a chef formom de anointing oil agu so na omu be sie no
onyu no ya abaifo onyu na ye di moso ne abaifo ma me watama so ade ase ena bronsama so mo ena on ha Ghana ena on de no me ya ka Ghana etu anu ni se ne nwom no me be tobi
o ma me hwe no ne munimi bia no nyina
me ba to nwom ni bi me ba to mako 4 na ma bompa ye agu so na me de wo ye agu so na ma tutu fom na me de nwom na hye wo ne ma sie no
Nsembebre nipa celebrity owu ya ne ho kire ne pa wo Ghana ha wuye Ebony free mu enye yi sanse owu ye ni funu kura mpo no ye ko mo kire ko twitwa na de abonten ene ade ababa one ti ase me ni di nkomo na me kai ni bebi a one mi hia obu kire me ibusa ne se Ebony bu be ba akoma mi ntie ye ntie eba Ebony bu ye
already chimba enye
butu ba you sing with chimba o ka chi so ma
me ka chi pa
o jack e me dede over
but yes I me say you be some question chimba na chi na tia here
Ebony bu be ba akoma mi hwa de
eba o di me dia go o di tia your friend is saying
your friend was saying your friend Brella me oh then
all right
oh shana oh
and then mom na me refi me 5 seconds
me must say
the food you pan e piano
all right the food you pan e piano wait me aka nyina no the food you pan e piano okay me bu bi
ni ofrudu apa ena ye piano nenso Ghana fo ye mu bi ewom ye piano enya de ye piano baba wa no ye de bibia mu no ye hunu mu bone ewom Yehu bibia mu bone ye ne etimi tena ho ne ye reading meanings into somebody's life but then Ebony ko ye ma fe na na hima ukohwe ni post no a ya posti na comment na eba no utimi se ye ya abran kasa huhu meke kamefo ene abepi o ma we mu ye de anu bekun na ye kun wi a ya kan ho nsempa sa na etie tin maka draw say entena ma life na we live no be meditate ma there be obi detect ma na bibi ye wa ha wo ho You're somebody like Daddy Lumba. And somebody can come for papa and what is so about the reply will be that there be obey no nyum no the amount na show. Atiasie. Because odi agro Ghana ha ye dia no bekun. Ye dia no. Ye di bekun. Ne papa ko pie mo ne na so ye nhwe conversation bi a e call so e wo ho wa bra ne papa ne e kire se abusuafo no mo ho ni nyina omo nka omo asem enkire na hema Ebony na ogidi se ne ba no obeyansa obia prayers e de amane yenko Ebony na no so ene 7 years pepepa na hema Djka ho e koye
ene 7 years or hema we here. When you're lovely people, you've always loved this personality. And we shall always be grateful. Trust me, be sure till our graves. So therefore, any special day, by Father, and let's get out of here. Trust me. Do it and don't doubt it. Believe in spirituality because it exists. It is. Don't doubt anything of a sort. Believe it. Just do that. And let's see, next year we shall be here. And what are you saying? Because a direct encounter, meditation. So therefore, something should come out from you. Because you had a time to come to see her. And so therefore you are rewarded. Then we are going to say it because the queen is say it. Bury this goddamn ego. Do it. If you really mean that, trust me, without sit against your own peril, so to speak. Because we are living, we have few moments to live. Where is it? Yes. Ohima, Woodom, any 70 year. Ukaso come on about 1 to me. Exactly 7 years ago. How long?
It feels like yesterday.
But trust me, like your brother said, it feels like yesterday. Or even now. You deserve that. You contributed your quota.
100.
You did your so best. That needs to be remembered at all costs. Because you deserve that. Because you worked so hard. I'm having this with you. Now, these are the people who are in love. Spirit speaks loud. Okay. Yes, 7 years ago, we missed you. Your physicality got lost. But thank God you still exist. That is the best part of it all. We shall all live to die someday, sometime, somehow. But the legacy, the name you're leaving behind to be remembered by, is what is all about life. You contributed to your life. You did so well. As young as you were amazing. And I'm still proud and will always want to have you the second time. If I should have the opportunity to be under this sinful and complicated world, if I should have the opportunity, I would at least, I'll bargain. Better stay. I shall do all I can to have you back and your family, your siblings. I would need you one more time. Trust me. Because I feel honored having them around me. You shall be well. Nanaima, you're grateful. Yes. Okay, yeah.
Everyone is going to their own versions of it, but this is my acoustic version of it, so enjoy. Hi. I'm a teaser and a pleaser, #1 bedroom love teacher. I'm a ruler, call me Caesar. When I spark top generator, I'm on it, yeah, why? I don't wanna where I dare be very bad, I dare be very bad, cause it wasn't. Missy, you want to me, call it poison. He said, cannot let me go, call it poison. blessing.